Welcome to Family Ties, where we honor the special bonds of love, support, and togetherness that unite us as families. From parents to siblings, grandparents to cousins, family is the foundation of our lives, providing us with love, guidance, and a sense of belonging. Are you ready to celebrate the unique and irreplaceable role that each family member plays in our lives? Let's gather around and embrace the warmth and joy of family as we embark on a heartwarming journey together. Our journey begins with the nurturing love and boundless compassion of the mother, the heart and soul of the family. Spells out M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Can you feel the warmth of her embrace and the unconditional love that flows from her heart? Mother. Let's honor the sacrifices and selflessness of mothers everywhere as we cherish the endless love and support they provide each and every day. Next, we salute the strength and guidance of the father, the pillar of strength and wisdom who leads by example and protects his family with unwavering devotion. Spells out F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Can you hear the reassuring tone of his voice and the laughter that fills the room when he's near? Father. Let's express our gratitude and admiration for fathers everywhere as we recognize the invaluable role they play in shaping our lives and guiding us on our journey. Now, let's celebrate the playful camaraderie and lifelong bond of siblings, the built-in best friends who share our secrets, dreams, and memories through thick and thin. Spells out S-I-B-L-I-N-G, sibling. Can you feel the joy of laughter and the comfort of knowing there's always someone by your side, no matter what? Sibling. Let's treasure the special moments and inside jokes that only siblings can share as we navigate life's adventures together. Moving on to the cherished wisdom and unconditional love of grandparents, the guardians of family traditions and the keepers of treasured memories from generations past. Spells out G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T, grandparent. Can you feel the warmth of their hugs and the twinkle in their eyes as they regale us with stories of days gone by? Grandparent. Let's honor the legacy and wisdom of grandparents everywhere as we learn from their experiences and cherish the timeless bond that connects us across generations.